In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve duplicate product URLs in Shopify, a critical step for improving your site's SEO and enhancing user experience. Shopify often creates duplicate URLs for product pages when products appear within collections. These URLs include the collection name, for instance, /collections/shoes/products, red shoe, in addition to the base product URL, like product/red shoe. This dual URL setup might confuse search engines and dilute the link equity of your product pages, potentially affecting your site's search rankings and reducing user trust, while also making it challenging to accurately track product page views. To tackle this issue, a common and effective approach is to modify the theme code, allowing all links to direct users straight to the product page, bypassing any collection references. Start by accessing your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to Online Store, then proceed to Themes, followed by Actions, and finally select Edit Code. For those using modern themes such as Dawn 2.0, you'll typically find the needed code located in the section's main collection product grid. Liquid File. For those working with older themes, you might need to look into Snippets Product Grid Item, Liquid or Snippets Product Card.liquid. Once you've identified the correct file, search for the line of code that generates the product link, which often appears as /product.url, within collection. You'll need to modify this line to be on product.url, effectively eradicating the within collection bit, ensuring every product page is represented by a single canonical URL. It's essential to apply this change not only to product titles, but also to any product images to maintain consistency across your site. Now let's address a few other considerations that can help you manage duplicate content better. Firstly, be cautious with product tags, as overusing them can lead to the creation of numerous collection pages, potentially causing a surge in duplicate content. Instead of bombarding a product with tags, consider organizing with appropriate collections. Another tool at your disposal is the canonical tag, which communicates to search engines the preferred version of a page. If duplicate content issues arise, a canonical tag can be added to signal the correct URL for indexing. Similarly, if you've already dealt with duplicate URLs, implementing 301 redirects can effectively guide traffic from these duplicates to the correct product pages. Furthermore, if there are specific duplicate pages that you prefer search engines not to index, adding a no-index tag will prevent them from appearing in search results. And before you dive into any code modifications, it's vitally important to back up your theme. This precaution ensures that you won't lose data if something unexpected happens during the update process. By making these changes, you'll enhance your store's SEO performance and provide a smoother experience for your users. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online store.